Alrighty, so now that we know about all the different kind of techniques that we're going to be using to play solo guitar, it's time to start talking about scales. Now, I don't want you to get afraid by the word scale. A scale really just is a nice and easy way to filter out the notes that are going to sound good to the song that you're trying to play a solo to. That's all it is. A scale really is our best friend. So when it comes to scales and playing all over the fretboard of the guitar, you're really going to only have to learn right now at the beginning one scale, and that's the pentatonic scale. We call it the pentatonic scale since it has 5 notes, and those 5 notes repeat themselves all over the fretboard of the guitar, starting here, going all the way down. Okay, so you're always playing only 5 notes, and you're using different scale shapes to filter out those 5 notes. Altogether, there are 5 shapes that you're going to have to memorize, but right now we're only going to focus on one, just so you can get a nice feeling for how the pentatonic scale sounds, and so you can start really playing around with it. And then we can move on to the second shape, third shape, and so on, up until 5. Okay, so let's start to learn our first shape now. And what I want you to do is just play with me. I'm going to go really nice and slow. And if you have your guitar out, just play along with me now, just so you can get this shape into your fingers and into your mind's eye. All right, so let's just get started. We're going to play the 6th string, 3rd fret. Okay, and now we're going to play the 6th string, 6th fret. So that was 3, 6 on the 6th string. And now the next 3 strings are going to be 3, 5. Okay, so 3, 6. And then we're going to go 3, 5 on the 5th string, 3, 5 on the 4th string, 3, 5 on the 3rd string, and then the last 2 are going to be 3, 6, 3, 6. Okay? So let me repeat that one time for you. 3, 6, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 6. And then when you reach the bottom, if you want to, you could go 6, 3, 6, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3. Okay? So that's it. That's our first scale, and that's a scale that I want you to focus on now at the beginning. So in the next lesson, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play along to 3 different backing tracks using only this one shape, so that you can get a feeling for how versatile and how many different tonal qualities this one shape can have. And then what I'm going to want you to do is play along to those same backing tracks at home, just up and down, so you can get a feeling for how it sounds and for how it feels to play these notes and this scale. So just to recap, we are playing the pentatonic minor scale right now. It could also be called the major scale, but I don't want to talk about that yet. So we're playing the pentatonic scale, the pentatonic minor scale, and just get it under your fingers. And in the next lesson, I'm going to play along to the backing tracks, and then so are you. All right, I'll see you there. See you there.